Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to my channel. I've got a little bit of a Stampin' Up haul for you today, and I'm super excited to share with you because I've got some really great products that are coming out really soon that you may want to get your hands on. So I'll get into those in just a second. Firstly, I wanted to let you know about the product of the month for this month. It is the Wild Bunch stamp set. It's absolutely adorable. There's 14 stamps in there, so we've got the Highland cow, a snail, koala, a penguin. You've got some great sentiments here and just some add-on pieces with some floral arrangement. This great pattern. We've got a party hat, a present, and a heart there as well. Now, how the product of the months work is with a qualifying order, you can choose the product of the month for $9, which is a great bargain. It's a full stamp set. I've actually used it already, as you can see, but it's a great little bargain, and it's one of those exclusive products. So that's the only way you can buy it is with a qualifying order. So I will have lots of samples coming out really soon using this set because I've been having fun with it so far. So really great to be sharing with you some of those projects really soon. Okay, so this little haul is actually online exclusives that will be coming out next month. So the 1st of July, they will be available to customers. They've been available for demonstrators as a pre-order, and oh my goodness, we have Halloween, we have fall, we have Christmas, and I'm super excited to share with you some of the great products in here. So I do have some Halloween products because I've decided that I'm going to do Halloween Spectacular or Spooktacular again this year, which is super excited. And to get started with that, I had to get the products now so I can start creating wonderful projects for you. So I've got a mixture of Christmas as well as Halloween. So let's get into it. The first one is Woodland Wishes. Now, is this not the cutest? Very whimsical. We've got a large stamp here that's the shape of a Christmas tree, but we've got all the woodland creatures here: the deer, the bear, the fox, the hedgehog, the raccoon, rabbit, all of them. So cute, and some great sentiments here as well. So we've got sending love and joy this Christmas, holiday greetings, Christmas cheer for all to hear, may your Christmas be merry and bright. So yeah, super cute. We've got little pine cones and holly and berries, stars, lots of little addings into this stamp set. So this is super fun. So that's one. The other stamp set, well, this is actually a bundle for Christmas that I got, is the Pretty Poinsettia. So bundle, you save yourself 10% by getting the bundle. And look at these for some great stamps for Christmas. So we've got Merry and Bright, Christmas Joy, 'Tis the Season, Most Wonderful Time of the Year, Bright Christmas Wishes. And then we've got some mixtures with the poinsettias. And I like this design. I think this would be a great little background as well. And the dies, so 13 stamp sets, 15 dies. We're going to be able to create some great poinsettias there. And these ones have some really great texture. So that's going to be fun to create with those. So that's one Pretty Poinsettia coming 1st of July. The other Christmas items that I did get is, so this specialty paper is called Shimmering Stripes 12 by 12. There are 4 sheets of this, and when I saw this on a demonstrator showing it, you couldn't really see it very well, so I don't know how well it'll show up for me either. But, oh, there you go. How amazing is that? It's got some great little texture. It's white with like a silver sparkle to it. Absolutely amazing. I think this is going to be so fun. Great with sentiments and, you know, all those fun things. So this is going to be a really nice paper to use for Christmas. So 4 sheets for that one. I also got this one with Christmas in mind, but you know, you could use it for anything. This is the 26 to 28 in color gingham gallery. It has Barely Blush, Crisp Cantaloupe, Golden Glow, Hydrangea Hue, and Peaceful Pine. So they're all the in colours. And so 2 sheets of each, and we have the large plaid and then the thinner plaid. So Peaceful Pine, Hydrangea Hue. Does that not look like a picnic table setting? Oh, that's pretty too. Barely Blush, which is a very, very pale, soft pink. Golden Glow, which is like a gold. Really, really pretty. Crisp Cantaloupe, which is a returning colour. So super fun. So 2 sheets of each of the 5 colours. And what do we call that? Gingham Gallery. Yeah, in colour Gingham Gallery. And then I grabbed this ribbon. So honestly, I didn't go overboard with the Christmas stuff. I'm hoping that the new catalogue that'll come out for Christmas will have some really beautiful Christmas things in. But this is a little bit similar to ribbon that we've had before, but look how pretty that is. That is stitched ribbon in real red and white. So I'll have to find my other ribbon. Do I have it on my shelf? No. So I'll have to go through and find that ribbon and see how different it is to the one we've had previously. Oh, and the other thing I did get that I told myself I was not going to buy was the shimmer brush. Now I got it in the Peaceful Pine. They come in all 5 of the in colours, but I thought this would work so nicely with Christmas cards. So that was my thought behind it, especially the poinsettia leaves. I thought this would work really well. So I'll let you know how that one goes. Okay, let's move on to Halloween, and I'm so excited to be doing the Halloween Spooktacular again this year. So I may have gone overboard, but you know, I don't think you can ever have too much Halloween. I really enjoy creating for that for some reason. We don't celebrate it here in my family, but we are going to be in US for Halloween this year, and we're going to a lot of haunted houses, so I'm super excited. Okay, so I have the Fun for Fall, and I thought, although this is really great for Halloween, I thought this would be really good for scrapbooking my garden pages that I have here at home. So I was able to justify that in my head anyway, and I thought that this would work really well with that. And we do get a lot of crows here in our area, so 15 stamps with this one. The sentiments are, this is something to crow about, so thankful for you, hoping your day is wonderful, and congratulations. I also live in a farming area, so you know, the hay bales and the scarecrow I think will go down really well around here as well. So that is the stamp set. And there are 10 dies in here that can make corn, a great little fence. We've got the crows, we've got a flag, we've got the hay bales, and that's a sunflower, or yeah, that's a sunflower, and the scarecrow as well. So that's super fun. I thought that might go well with Halloween. I'll do a couple of projects with that one. Then we have the Web of Fun dies. Now, this is, the Web of Fun bundle it is. Just before, I don't know whether I said that before, when you purchase the stamp set and the dice together as the bundle, you save yourself 10%. So, great way of getting a little bit extra for the same thing. But the stamp set has 6 dice. So we've got the large cobweb, we've got a cute little spider, we've got very spooky October 31st and Halloween, and then we've got a couple of labels as well as Happy Night, Boo and Halloween sentiments that die cut out, and the large cobweb die cut as well. This will be great for scrapbooking my haunted houses scrapbooking pages that we'll be doing over in the US as well. So yeah, I might incorporate a couple of scrapbooking pages and then add the photos later. So Web of Fun bundle. Then we have, I wasn't going to buy this because honestly. There's 48 sheets and I think there's only 4 designs, so you're getting a ton of each one. But I thought these might be a nice way of creating some fun little gifts for friends and family as well. So we've got the 4 designs. We've got the ghost, Dracula, we've got the pumpkin, and what's he called? Hulk. No, it's not Hulk. Okay, that name's just gone out of my head. I'm thinking Munster, but it's not. You guys tell me. Tell me in the comments. Anyway, there's lots and lots of these pages, but there's also some great designs on the back, as you can see, which will work for other projects as well, especially these two. But the colours in here are basic black, granny apple green, pumpkin pie, and very vanilla. I'm planning on making a few different treat ideas using these, and each of the treat idea I will probably make in each of the designs. So that's my hope anyway. Did I tell you, not only are we going to America in October, we also have our daughter's wedding in October. So I've got to get all these things done with plenty of time because it's going to be super busy at the end of the year. So yeah. Okay, so that is what I grabbed for the Halloween. I have got a couple of bundles already that I purchased last month, I think it was, when we could first do our pre-order. So don't worry, I do have some of those already that I'll be creating some fun designs with. The other thing that I did pick up, because I'm doing the Creativity Now with Stampin Up, which is a demonstrator only event, when you register you got a free stamp set. So this is the Collage Botanicals, and so I picked that one up for free as well. There is actually a whole suite that you can purchase that we'll be crafting with next month for Creativity Now. So I haven't decided whether I'm going to get that or whether I'll just use this stamp set. So yeah, we'll wait and see. So yeah, some cute little Halloween and Christmas products that I purchased. Let me know what your favorite is. Let me know if you enjoyed Halloween Spooktacular last year and that if you're going to watch it again this year. But I am super excited. It's going to be fun. I've got to do a few Christmas projects in the next couple of months as well. So yeah, lots and lots of fun coming your way. Thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me and seeing what I purchased from the online exclusive pre-order. Again, these will be available for customers on the 1st of July, and you can purchase them in my online store if you live in Australia. And I would love it if you did, because I've got some freebies that I give out to my customers each month. So if you are wanting to purchase, I would love to spoil you with some goodies as well as a thank you. All right. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family if you think that they might like some of these products. Leave a comment if you're watching the video, and I'll see you again really soon with another video. All right, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye.